Creating a class in Google Classroom. To go to Google Classroom to get started to create a class, the first thing you need to do is open the Chrome browser, sign in, and go to classroom.google.com. I have opened Chrome, and you may have to re-sign in. Once you're signed in, make sure you see your district Google account. You can go to classroom.google.com. I'm here, and if you see the screen, you have not created any classes yet. It is your home screen. So whenever you want to create a class, you're going to go to this home screen and click on the plus and create a class. Now for your class name, you can put the name and section, your name, and also the year. You may want to put the school year. If you are a high school teacher, you may have the sections. It does create a folder in the student's drive with this, so it's important to put the name how you want it. And then when you're done, click Create. Boom, it's done. Sometimes it does take a minute to process. It will ask you, often it will ask you if you want to go through and it will show you any new items, so you can say okay and go through the tour. Once you have created your class, there's a change class theme in the right hand side of the picture, and you can find an image that works for your class. This is nice because it will help students remember the class by the color or the theme. To create another class, I'm going to click on the hot dogs in the upper left, the main menu, and then click on Home. When you're home, this plus again in the upper right, you can click to create another class. When I click on the hot dogs, I can see the classes that I'm teaching. So to go between the classes, I can just click on the class there. I can also come back and click Home, and I will see the classes that I'm teaching. Right here we have the three dots, and if I want to, I can archive or rename. To click on the class, I click on the name. If I click down here, this takes me to the folder in the drive. I'm going to say no thanks, and it will take me to my classroom folder where you can see each of these classes. So that opened a new tab. I'm going to come back. It's important to tell your students to click on the name of the class to go into the class. Again, we talked about going home, editing, deleting or archiving, and creating with the plus. Good luck creating your classes.